Vic or Ronnie Vicente Silagnaga is a visionary man. He wants the city to be, as I said already, a vibrant, livable, smart eco city. So this part, where we are, Busanhay, and I think this from Magsaysay Bridge to Oreos Gym, that was the seat of the city before. No, that was the seat. It's near the river. So I think you're familiar that where the river is, the community is there, right? The economy is there. So that's before, long time ago. But of course, it's now spread, the center of the city. Now the mayor wants to make this place from the Magsaysay Bridge up to there a walkable area, so that there will be no more transportation within, no traffic, just people just walking, because the streets will be it will be designed to be an area where people can just walk, and there will be lots of trees. That's our vision. That's what we call, as you remember, I said 4 quadrants. That's one of the quadrant. One of the quadrants, it's called the Poblacion, or Old Town, a walkable area for everybody.